Everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to lock any app on iPhone with Face ID or Touch ID. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to go to our Shortcuts app because we have to do this with shortcuts. So go to Shortcuts, go to Automation, make sure to create a new automation. We're going to create a personal automation. So go here, and here we can go on our app here. And then here you will choose the app that you want to lock. You can choose as many apps as you want. For example, let's choose booking.com. Click done. And then as you can see is opened. Make sure it's opened and then click next. Here we will add an action. Now the action is going to be a timer. So let's go and search for timer. Click start timer. Make sure that it's on seconds. Make sure that you put 1 second and go next. Make sure to disable ask before running. Click don't ask and then click done. Now we have basically created a lock any app, right? We can lock any app with this automation. So as you can see, our automation, if we scroll down, is enabled for booking.com right here. So we can go now to our timer. We're not yet finished. So go to your clock and then go to timer and then click when timer ends. Stop playing. You have to click on stop playing and then click set. And then next time, after you go and open your booking.com or any application, you will be locked away and you will have to use your Face ID or Touch ID to unlock your application. So that's fairly simple. If you want to disable the shortcut, we can go back to our shortcuts here and we can go to booking.com here and just disable this automation or enable this automation, but make sure it's off. Click done and then you basically disabled your automation. So that's pretty much how it works. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.